The Smart-AVI HFX-KM-TX-S HDMI 2.0 KVM Fiber Transmitter is an HDMI 2.0 KVM fiber transmitter that extends signals up to 2 kilometers over single-mode fiber. It supports up to 3840 by 2160 resolution at 60 Hz and provides USB keyboard and mouse extension with emulation. The unit also supports stereo audio and RS-232 support and delivers ultra-low latency performance. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, and features secure, interference-free fiber transmission for reliable long-distance KVM performance. Visit HDTVSupply.com to learn more.